There are various grades of existence.
There are various grades of existence. We were first intelligent. According to our scriptures, the lowest grade we are even aware of is when we were in the form of intelligences. And then we were allowed
There could have been something before that. Who knows?
Well, it probably were, because it's infinite. But then we were allowed to grow to the point where we were spirits. But we didn't lose the intelligences. We collected them. They were joined.
Organized,
and put together to create the spirit. Now the spirit is put together with intelligences and the light of Christ and all this.
And all the different bodies.
To create a physical body.
And all the different bodies.
Well, there's a lot.
Yes.
And when we came down to the earth, I'm thinking, what does it say? I told you that scripture the other day about we were sown in corruption and we're raised in incorruption. That means, and it says, look, matter unorganized. Let's go down there and organize it into a world like unto the other worlds that we have created. And let us see if they will obey and do everything they're asked and commanded to do.
Right.
And so we're placed down. How does he organize it? Well, he places children, his children, on the earth. And we are formed from the dust of the earth. Dirt. Yes. And those intelligence and spirits which are combined with the dust of the earth are able to form a being of higher level than the spiritual being. And imagine that within the dust of the earth there was a lot of corruption as well as good. And when we were formed, we were just formed from all that was put into the mother as she was feeding herself and her children and babies. And we obtained a physical body which grows and develops, and within it there is particles of matter that have intelligence and spirit and all these things that combine to make up a human being. Some of those are darkness, not intelligence, but darkness. And they also go together to make up this body. And we knew when we came down here, we would be taking a big chance, because we knew that there were intelligences, there were beings, and all the hosts of heaven were cast out into the earth. And that was really a merciful thing the Lord did, because it gives them a chance to repent and be shaped up and come forth again and come back. And so, but at the same time, we as individuals have to face sin and corruption, and we have to allow ourselves to control our bodies and the stewardship we have given, and hopefully that part of us that can't stand being refined will depart from us either in this life, and if it doesn't, after our death, it will not rise with us.
But it is. It isn't that we have to have it not stay with us. We have to change it.
We have to refine it, purify it.
That's what we're supposed to do.
We have to put truth back into it.
We have to do everything we can to shape. That's the whole concept. And it says it's sown in corruption, but it will be raised in incorruption.
Right.
Meaning that in the resurrection, corruption will not be resurrected.
Right.
And if our whole body and soul is inclined to maintain corruption, whatever part of us is corrupt will not be able to come forth in the resurrection. It will be left behind.
In